Okay, everything is fine, guys.
Yes, Ravi. Please carry on.
Okay, so here I'm writing what sys out. Once at int, right?
One second. Yeah.
Okay, so here
Yes.
what annotation we are going to apply it now, guys? At the rate,
At the rate before all.
yes, at the rate before all, right? Before all, and what we will do it now, guys? Here, what annotation we will apply it now? At the rate,
After
After
all.
all.
At the rate after all.
yes, after all. But see this one, whenever we will run, we will get one error on the console. Okay, so now I'm running this one. See this, run JUnit. What happened? Okay, see this. Now observe the JUnit console, guys. Okay, so here what we are getting now? We are getting the runs two
Running
method.
it.
It's showing right in the whole method. Two method is what failure, guys. Okay, so what one error is showing, the one error, right? See this, only two methods are showing, no issue. This is the two methods test cases. Now observe this one, guys. Okay, here observe it. See, read it, right? What it's showing now? See, before all method public void in the right what com.test application. What is that? Must, see, read it, guys. Okay, must, what is that? Must be static unless the test class is annotated with what? At the rate test instance, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Then what we have need to do it now? We have need to do this class as what? Static, then it will work.
Ravi, total 6 methods are there. No, why only 2 got ran in the
Yes,
error console?
actually only what in the error console, only two method is, this is the test case methods will show only, right? This is the setup method, it will not show on
Okay,
what
okay.
in the
Oh,
console.
okay.
Only what our test method, test case methods will show appear in the console, guys.
Fine.
Okay,
Oh,
so
okay.
okay, so here what we are doing now, so we have need to make this method as what? Static. Here also static only. Now fine, guys. Okay, static, right? Now run this method, run this test class. See this, now observe this one. In this time we are getting right success method, success information as what? Green signal, na guys, come on.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
Ravi.
Still it is showing 2 only. No? It has to show 6 now.
zero error and what? Zero failure. No, here what two methods are there, na? Those two methods only will show. Two test cases method is only two. That one only running, right?
Okay.
Except that the others method are what? For the setup purpose. Okay, for the setup purpose. That is not what
Okay.
test method. Because of that, it's not showing.
Okay. Okay.
Ravi.
Only test method will show here, guys. Okay, only test method will show on the console. Except that if you are using setup and all those things, those method will not show.
Okay, okay, got it. Before each gets executed, but not before all, right?
Yes, yes. Before all and what? Before all and what? After all. These
After all.
two method must make both method as static. Otherwise, that
Static must be static.
otherwise that method will not run. Okay, fine now, guys. So
Okay. Yeah.
let's understand. Let's understand. But see this. What we will seeing here, guys. Okay, now by default, whenever we are running now our test method, see, observe this one, right? Application test, right? Means class name is coming by default, right? And here what? A test save and a test update method is coming, right? Here the method
Yes,
name is
Ravi.
on the console of what? JUnit, guys. See this,
Yes, correct.
But I don't want this method name. I don't want this method name. I want our own choice name, guys. Then what we will do it now, guys? Here I don't want what by default names. I want our own choice name. If you want to change those name, right? If you want to change those name, then for that purpose, which annotation you guys will use it now, guys? Which annotation you guys will use? At the rate display name.
Display name.
If you want to change the by default name, right? Then what annotation we will use it now, guys? At the rate
Display name.
Display name. So I want what? App test is there, right? So at the rate display name, I want what is that? Product application, product app, right? I want this name. Okay, so let's delete these methods. No need. Okay, just understand the method itself. I'm deleting each and everything now. Just I'm taking only one method here. Okay, fine. So here take this at the rate display and give that name is what? Name is what? Save, product save. Product save. Now run again. Run it. Right click, run as what? JUnit application. Okay, now come here where the observe this one now, guys. JUnit console. Now see this here, product app, right? Currently this one is changed, right? And here what?
Yeah.
Product save we are
Product
getting,
save.
right? The annotation is
Yes,
working
Ravi.
perfectly, right? Whatever name we
Yes,
given
Ravi.
here,
working.
whatever name we given, that name is came here, right? And whatever product method name we given, that method name is came here, right?
Yes,
I
Ravi.
got it.
Yes. Yeah, it's working.
Instead
Okay.
of meta names, this are getting
Yeah,
displayed.
sometime what we are doing now, we are writing multiple, right? Multiple methods now, but sometime we are writing multiple methods in the class, guys. Okay, multiple test cases method we are writing, right? Just okay. So okay, we wrote what is that? Already two test cases method, right? Here what? Save method is there. Here what? I'm writing update, right? Update method I'm writing, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Here what I'm writing? Update method. Okay, so but by default, if we are using the what? At the rate test and at the rate what? Test on the top of both method, whenever we are running this test class, then what will happen? Both method will execute na. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
But
Yes, correct.
later we have need to use this method also. Then what we will do it now, guys? We will use at the rate, but I want only one. I want to execute only one method. I don't want to execute this method, right? I don't want to execute this method. Then what annotation we will apply? This at the rate disable. At the rate disable annotation, right? At the rate disable. Now run this one. Okay, then what will happen now? Only one.
Hello will not work.
Only
Yes.
only save method is working now. Come on, only one, right? See this in
Yes,
here,
Ravi.
here also it's right. Only save is working, right? Save, and what is that? Update is disappear. See this symbol now, guys. See this. This one is a appeared, right? Yeah. Here you can see this one, right? Two method is there, but one is what is skipped, right? It's our framework also saying perfectly, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now guys, come here. So this annotation also we completed, right?
Okay, Ravi.
This one we completed.
Two more are there.
Yeah, this one we completed. This one we completed. This one also. This one also. This one, and then this one also. This one also. Let's
Test method are also completed.
Yeah, repeated test, right? And what tag is there, right? Repeated test and what tag is there, right? Okay.
Okay, Ravi.
So
Yes,
sometime whenever we are working batch API, guys, okay, if you want to test our way batch API, right? If anyone having little bit knowledge about the batch operation now, guys.
Yes, Ravi. We will
So
combine all the
okay,
operations in a batch and execute the batch.
yeah, multiple operation we are performing in the single time itself only, right? Huge amount of
Yes, Ravi.
data. If you want to proceed a huge amount of data, right? So that is nothing but batch operation na, come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So here just try to understand that one only, right? So okay, so I want, what is that, execute this method what multiple time only, right? I want to execute this method as a multiple time only, right? So like if you want to perform batch operation in the test case also, right? So for that, what annotation we are using now, guys? What annotation? @repeat test, @repeat test. And how many times we have need to repeat this method now? We have need to give the value equal to just 3 times. I want to repeat this method. I want to repeat this hello 3 times. So for that we are using what? @repeat annotation. Now this annotation, I'm talking about this annotation now, guys. This annotation, whenever we will test a batch API, at the time we are using this one, guys. Okay, repeat test annotation now. Okay, fine now, guys. So see this here. Now run this one, JUnit. Don't worry about that, like what this red color, right? Just see this one. Okay, see this, but it's showing 4 times. Why? 1 2 3, right? Okay, 1 minute. Why it's showing 4 times?
yeah, it's repeating 3 times plus 1 default.
Execution start from 0.
Yes,
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
yes, correct. Very good. If we take 2, then it will run. It's taking
3.
indexing order, right? 0 to 1. So see this, it's executing 3
Yes,
times now.
Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so
Yes,
fine now.
correct.
Okay, let's understand last one also, right? Let's understand what last one also. Tag is there, right? Tag is there, fine. So okay, when we are using this tag now, guys, so sometime what is that, we are writing the test cases. Okay, so what is the need, guys? Okay, sometime developer whenever our the test case, right? Test case, we are executing the test case in the developer environment. Means what? This test case will execute. If we are running what? If we are running in the what, QA environment, then what? Another test case will run, right? So for that purpose we are using the tag annotation. For that purpose we are using what? Tag annotation, guys. Okay, so means what? If our code is going in the different environment, based on that environment it will execute, right? Like that we are writing. Okay, so just see this one is there, right? This save operation, same operation only I'm doing, right? Same operation. Or let's take a save one, save A I'm taking, save B I'm taking, right? Save B, I want to execute this one, right? I want to execute this one in what? This A. Take this one A save, and take this one is a B save, right? These two methods are there, right? So okay, fine. So if we want, right, if we want to execute this method in what? QA environment. I want what, to execute this test case in the developer environment. So for that we are using what? @tag annotation, right? Inside that give what? Dev environment, right? Inside that give the dev environment. And here what? Anyone remember when I was explaining profile concept in what? Spring Boot?
Yes, Ravi. Yes, sir.
Similar way, this one also working, guys. Okay, similar way only. But if we run, see this, both output we will get, because here the only one laptop is there, only one machine is there now. So because of that, see this, a save also we are getting, b save also we are getting, right? But if how we will understand this one is, if this code is going inside that what server, right? What developer, if developer is testing that what this method, right? So we are getting this result, right? If QA is testing that one, then this method will execute. So for that, if you want to see this one here, then like this you have to run, right click, run as a configuration, and go in, select configuration, right? And include which one you want, dev environment, right? Here I want dev environment.
Yeah.
And exclude, right? Exclude which one? QA. Now okay, now run it. See this, now in this time, which one we are developer environment, just think about that. This is the developer environment, right? What we are getting, a save we are getting, right?
Only
Yes, sir.
yes.
Okay, so
Yes,
like this,
yes,
okay.
correct.
But if the different server is there, based on that profiler concept, right, our method will execute, guys. Okay, but here only one machine we have now, so we have need to test it, right? Then how this is the way to test, right?
Okay, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi,
Okay,
got it.
now right click,
Okay. Yeah.
run as again. If you want, click on the configuration. No, in this time I want, what is that? QA. In this time, what is that? Here see this one, QA and a developer.
Dev.
Dev, exclude what? Developer. Now okay, this one, now run it. Now observe in this time, which one we are getting? We save hello, we are getting this result. Nah, come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so whatever mandatory annotation we completed, guys. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? 10 annotation. This is the mandatory annotation, and even if you are testing in the real time also, except this annotation, you will not get any extra annotation, guys. Okay, so now just practice once, okay, on these annotations, guys. Okay, and let's work, let's what maybe if everything is okay, we will start, what is that, this Sunday itself only microservices, guys. Okay, we will complete unit testing on the Saturday itself only, because still assert API is there. After then we will test this our product application, also we will test it. Okay, each and every method we will test it. So before attending next weekend session, please complete this annotation, and just try to understand what is the use of this annotation, because at that time I will write directly, I will use this annotation, and I will explain concept,
Yes,
guys.
correct.
Okay, so now guys, okay, see guys, I'm not escaping anything, and even I'm not giving right what we can say, just only one thing. So okay, I'm honest about the to giving the sessions, guys. Okay, but that's just only one thing. Okay, sometimes we have need to responsibility to take care of our family also, na?
Yes, Ravi.
That's right.
And
Ravi.
Okay,
Exactly.
because of that I got so many personal private messages, right? And the people are thinking about that I'm wasting their time, guys. Why I will waste another people time? Okay, I'm not wasting anyone time, guys. Okay, just whatever still videos so many videos I updated on YouTube channel, utilize those video. If I ask, right, if I ask, no one can give the proper reply about whatever I completed. So serious, be honest about yourself. Don't put finger on any other person, right? Even in the Saturday Sunday itself only I'm giving the time. If see if like if I'm trying my level best, just think about that. I thought that tomorrow I'm free now. Okay, so because of that, yesterday night itself only I shared the meeting, but unfortunately I got some information from my parent, and I stopped the session. And the people are who the close to me, guys, just think about that, they are talking about me like this. That person, you know, leave it. Okay, no issue. Okay, guys, so just only one thing, guys, whenever I will get the time, definitely I will deliver good content to you people. Okay, so even I'm not asking anything
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
from you guys. Okay, so just utilize those things and work on it, and see this tomorrow already I have the office work also, but still why I taken the session.
Correct, Ravi. That's true.
Okay, guys, so enjoy your day. Who is there in another country, and who is there in the our country? For those, good night.
Thank you very much, Ravi, for